messy today, but I just wanted to share with you a little recipe that I've been making quite a bit, and I feel as though it's helping my skin just become a little more clear and just a little softer and more glowing. And the reason why I think this is happening is because it has just a ton of healthy fat and protein. It's very rich in omega-3s, which lowers inflammation in the body, and it's just very good for skin health. So our two key ingredients are hemp seeds, one of my favorites. They're on the Microvore Easy 8 in my guidebooks. This is a list of foods that are just extremely nutrient rich and really healthy, and that you should try to eat on a daily basis for good health benefits. And the second ingredient is coconut, shredded coconut, so really easy to find and much cheaper actually than buying coconut milk whole or from a can or even frozen. So you can use shredded dried coconut flakes. Try to make sure it's sugar-free. And yeah, the rest is just, for flavor. We're gonna add a little bit of maple syrup for sweetness, a little bit of cinnamon. You can add a pinch of salt, and it just really helps bring out the sweetness and flavor. So I hope you like this recipe, guys. I'm gonna call it coconut hemp milk. There we go.
Coffee of the day. Take my own advice. There'll be other worlds to say. If only we had one more day left. The focus of our life could finally cease to rest. In the last coffee of my life, all my hopes and dreams no longer inside. So let's take a moment to ourselves. We're pushing all these boundaries, and it never seems to rest. And I swear it's not hard to see. 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 And picture all the lives that you have changed, and tell me something good, 'cause it'll never be the same.
You can come closer. I just want them to know that you can drink the milk without straining it. It's just kind of gritty because of the coconut flakes. So you can hit it through a nut milk bag or a strainer. all those little pieces out. And then it's just smooth and creamy, and it doesn't affect the texture of whatever you're putting it in. There it is.
Take a sip.
Okay. Very good. It tastes like maple syrup. Very good. Well, I hope you guys like this one. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next video. Bye.